Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Tonkeeper to KuCoin. Okay, first of all, you're going to need to start by opening up your KuCoin and then sign in with your account. Now, once you are in, what you need to do is to simply click on assets on the bottom right and then click on deposit crypto. Now I need to search for any crypto. In this case, it's going to be USDT or Tonkeeper. And then if you haven't verified yet, you just need to make sure to verify your account. Otherwise, you cannot proceed further. Now you're just going to need to copy your wallet address and your network and then open up your Tonkeeper. And once you have signed in, you're just going to need to click on this USDT and then click on the send button. Now I need to simply paste the address of the recipient. As I said, you're just going to need to copy from the KuCoin and then paste it in your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you do so, you're just going to need to proceed further and complete the transaction and you're good to go. So that's the way how you can transfer from Tonkeeper to your KuCoin. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.